How's it going? You just saw me shooting that bow. It's a white ash bow, stick bow. It came from like a real little branch. You can see it's kind of a snaky character bow. Just a cool little stick bow. It's not really a super performance bow. It's just a branch, but it's got backstrap sinew backing on it. Let me unstring it here. It was really just a branch that I wanted to see if I could turn into a bow. And you can see it's not really ideal. The branch was bent like that, so I backed it and said, oh, we'll see if it could shoot. And it seems to be shooting. It's punching right through that deer skin. It's got to be pulling 50-55 pounds, I'm sure, at my draw, which is probably like 26 inches. And yeah, cool little character bow. Neat little style Indian bow. Kind of really like this bow. I didn't expect much from it, but it shoots. It's not some high performance thing. It's less than ideal. It's bent. It's got a big set, but that's how it came. So it's got a really high brace on it when you string it. But it'll shoot. It'll hunt. It'll do everything. It'll be a fun bow for someone. So. All right, the white ash Sinew-Backed stick bow. Cool little bow. I like it. If you're interested in receiving this bow, leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. Tell me one of your more memorable outdoor adventures, experiences. Something that's left an impression on you. Something cool story. All right? Take care.